This is the Thankful String Art Kit tutorial by String Art by Kaylee. For the string art sign, you will need one of these string art kits, which can be ordered in my Facebook group. It will also come with the yarn bundles in your choice of colors, and you will need a pair of scissors. The very first thing that we will do is take a picture of our board. We're going to remove this piece of paper before we string, so all of these lines will disappear. The picture will be your reference. Once you have removed the paper, go ahead and grab the organza bags and remove the bundles of yarn. Go ahead and lay out the bundles and figure out what pattern you want your colors to be in. It's best to do this before you start stringing. I am going to start with yellow for my sign. Grab the bundle for whichever color you're going to start with and take the strand that's wrapped around the middle and go ahead and unravel it. With that same strand, we are going to go ahead and tie a loop up in the air. This is how I like to tie my yarn on. And then tuck that loop onto any one of the nails on the letter T. Make sure you push that knot all the way down to the base of the nail. And then we're going to go ahead and outline the T. This just makes it so we can see exactly where we're going to be filling in. And just like with when we tied the yarn onto that nail, we're going to push that yarn all the way down to the base of the nails. This is important throughout the entire string art process. After the outline, you're going to go ahead and fill in the T. There's not a certain way to do this. There's no rhyme or reason. You can jump all over. The point is to just fill it in. You can fill it in as much or as little as you want. A lot of string art, you do still see the board through the yarn layers. I personally like to fill it in completely. It's totally up to you. Once you are satisfied with how full it looks, we'll go ahead and add an outline. There's a couple options. Right now I'm going to do a double outline. I'm going to go along the inner parts of the nails all the way around the letter T. And then I will go around a second time along the outside of the nails. The other option is to just do this outline along the outside of the nails that I'm doing. If you want a more bold outline, this double outline is the one for you. So our letter T is finished. We will go ahead and tie off. I like to take my scissors and cut the yarn to where there's about 3 inches left. Do that same loop that we started with, tuck it onto one of the nails, and pull tight. And then I will just take my scissors again, trim that end piece to about 1/2 inch, and tuck it between the layers. This will help secure that knot. First letter down, let's go ahead and move on. Go ahead and put the rest of that bundle aside. We'll use it later on another letter. Each of these letters is the exact same steps, from unraveling the bundle, tying on that knot onto one of the nails, outlining, filling in. I'll start off this letter so you can see it, just in case you need another refresh, nice and slow. And then it's going to just fast forward through the rest of the letters. If there's any confusion at all, go ahead and go back and watch that first letter again for a recap. I will go ahead and show you what that single outline looks like on this letter, so you can kind of decide which one that you want to do. Here's what the different outlines look like. We got the 2 layers on the letter T and 1 layer on the H. I'm going to continue on with my double layer. You guys can choose whatever you want to do. And then cut that strand a little bit longer, tie your loop, tuck it onto a nail, trim it, and your second letter's done. And now we'll jump into a quick string for the rest of the letters. And here's what the finished kit will look like. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.